Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be servicing a VW Passat 2012 model. This particular model is 2-liter diesel. I've taken the underbody under tray off, which was secured by 3 T45s, and there were a couple of T25 screws which were holding it. So I've already taken that off. As you can see, there it is on the floor. Okay, so now we're gonna undo the drain plug to drain the oil. Here is the location for the drain plug. It's a 19 mil drain plug which we need to undo, so we're just gonna do that now. There you go. Right friends, here we go. Just gonna put the drain plug back on. There we go. Just gonna tighten the drain plug. That's good enough. And then now we're gonna put the cover back on the under tray. Right, here we go friends. I'll put the cover back on. There were 3 T45s at the back, and then 3 T25 on this side, one at the front just here, and then 3 on the side again, 3 on the left side, 3 on the right side, 1 at the front. So these are the T25s, and 3 T45s at the back. Right, so the next bit we're going to do is to change the oil filter, and the location for the oil filter is just where I'm pointing it out. So for that, what we're going to do is we're going to remove this bracket here. So for that, we are using T27. Right, here we go. So just gonna move this on the side. Right, so we're gonna be using T32 to undo the oil filter. There we go. There we go. That's the oil filter. So the next bit we're gonna do is we're gonna change the fuel filter on this car. So the location is just here by the washer jet and the coolant tank. Right, so we're gonna be using T20 to undo the cap here, secured by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 T20s, but one of them is missing. That's one of the screw out of the way. There we go. So that's the second one. The third one is missing, which is just here. So we're just gonna do the fourth one. and the fifth one here. There we go. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna lift it up like this. There we go. Just gonna pull it out gently. Right friends, here we go. Here comes the new fuel filter. Like for like. So we're just gonna slide it in here like that. Okay. And then just gonna line up the slots where we're gonna insert the screws. Like I said before, just be extra careful while doing these screws in case you drop any in the engine compartment. So the trick is when you start the car up, you just turn the ignition on about 5-6 times before attempting to start it, and that's how you prime the fuel filter on these VW cars. Just gonna screw the screws now. That's good enough. There we go. Just gonna do this one now. That's good enough. That's good enough. Just gonna do the last one. There we go. That's all nicely secured. Right, so just gonna change the air filter now. And for the air filter we're gonna be using T25. Right, here we go. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws. Here is the air filter, which we're gonna remove. Okay. So just gonna change it with the new one. That's the old one. Here is the new one. Just gonna slide it in here like that. There we go. Just gonna tighten the screws. Right, here we go. That's the air filter replaced. There we go. Last thing we need to do on this car is to fill up the engine with fresh engine oil. So we're using Shell Ultra 530. The capacity is around about 5 liters. Well friends, there we go. That's just about 5 liters of engine oil I've poured in to this VW Passat. That's good to go now. Just gonna put the oil cap back on. Right, there we go friends. I've completed the service process on this VW Passat 2012. So we're just gonna put the engine cover back on. So the way it goes in is like this. There we go. Thank you very much for watching the video.